When we invented the Steritest closed filtration device back in 1974, we revolutionized sterility testing by making sterility testing reliable. Since then, we have striven to optimize every aspect of the testing procedure, including the filtration hardware, to make accurate results even easier to achieve. With the Steritest Symbio pump, our new sterility testing system, we have taken a major step forward, maximizing safety and confidence while streamlining workflow. Its compact design and airtight housing ensures easy handling in laminar flow hoods and isolators. The user-friendly Steritest Symbio PC software offers the opportunity to ensure test reproducibility. You can easily create a test methods library and transfer the selected test method to your pump. The new color user interface is available in 8 languages. It can be used to assist the operator to perform the test step by step. The display screen's high position and tiltable mounting give you an unobstructed view of the interface, making it compatible with both horizontal and vertical flows. With the pump's low height and ergonomic design, the loading with Steritest EZ filtration units is extremely easy. The automatic closure eliminates the risk of glove pinching and ensures reliable splitting of the liquid sample. You can also adjust the height and angular position of up to 2-liter bottles. Another important feature is the drain tray, which we designed to minimize splashing so no droplets go back to the canister. All this ensures that the new Steritest Symbio pumps work perfectly in laminar flow hoods, cleanrooms, and isolators. New Steritest Symbio pumps, making sterility testing easier and helping you maximize safety and confidence in your test results.